guys, welcome to DIECAST Beast YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a quick comparison video. So this is Mini GT's Land Rover Defender 110 Camel Trophy winner Team UK model. So this is a 1989 Camel Trophy winner, and they have issued two different versions. So this is what do you call stock look, and this is with all the muddy effects and everything, you know. So this should be before the race, this is the after the race. All right, let's quickly open this one. So I have already opened this one and took hundreds of photos out of this one, and already posted on my Instagram page. Please give it a follow. Like us this garage. Okay, I'll leave it here and I'll show you this one. So check this out. So this is one of the most detailed model I have ever seen in this price point. So this is, I bought it around 20 Australian dollars, so it's not much comparing to Tarmac Works, Master, all sort of other diecast brand with manufacturing cars with these kind of details. But this is next level. See all the details, especially the stuff on the roof rack. Unbelievable. All right, I'll keep it aside. And so this is the newest member, newest model. So let's open this one. Okay, there's nothing fancy on the packaging. You can see the model, all the details, warnings, number 22 221, and Land Rover what do you call licensing. And check this out. So this is exact identical model to this one, but this thing has these muddy effects. See how good is that? So this is so these vehicles made to go on the bush, unsealed roads, any kind of a terrain. Check that out. So let's compare. See, everything's pitch perfect. It's just a muddy effect. See, oh, beautifully done, well done. I'm a huge fan of Mini GT because they do things right and they do things properly. There's no gaps, no loopholes, no damages, no QA issues. Good price. What else you want? Excellent. See, awesome stuff. Very good details. And see the tow bar. Oh, it's into scale as well. So see, same base. All right guys, I'll do a quick photo shoot out of these two and post in my Instagram page. Please give it a follow as well, DIECAST Beast Garage. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you with another video soon. And yeah, just let me enjoy the view. Wow, this tool is amazing, pretty amazing. See the details. Whoa.